way to Canandaigua Motorsports with my dad right here. We're driving on the freeway right now. Hold up. Alright guys, see you guys there. Peace. Fresh vans on. Dodger, self-made.
It was gonna be more. Clowns we fighting for. The thought of you free from danger. Hurt, fear, depression, and anger. Confusion, rage, and anger. Lord got me out here with my deuce up. Fighting with what I could use up. Lyrics on tracks with music. Yeah, the pain came. It's cause I love you. And you're worth it.
These men in Canandaigua. That's it over there. The red. Yep, this is the place. Oh Lord, I see the bike. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh, they put them inside. Oh my gosh. Yo. Alright, I'll see you guys in there. Peace. Oh shoot. 4-wheeler. Oh, this is bad. Damn. This red one though. These are the dirt bikes. Let me sit on one of these things.
We gotta be careful.
I know. What is this, the KLX 110L?
Yeah, it's a little bit too big though.
Oh, no, they're not.
Yeah.
You can hold this for me? Yo, what is this, the KLX 110L?
You record?
It's 2-stroke. I think it's 2-stroke, yo. Oh, the suspension.
Yeah, it's nice, but you gotta be careful when we put that back.
Yo, this is perfect.
That is nice.
The KLX?
Mm-hmm.
Which one, the 110L?
I don't know, I said the green one's alright. I mean, I'd look for a different color.
Oh, this is good suspension, yo. What did they do?
Does it feel good?
Yeah.
The bounce? Hey, what's up, buddy?
Hey guys,
Mind if I just...
please do.
Oh, okay, alright. It's only gonna promote.
Think you'll ever learn to ride one?
Oh, he's got a few.
There you go. Then it's a natural position. What do you ride?
I like one of those popular. It's like one of that song.
Okay.
This is nice.
He's trying to upgrade.
Get into a dirt bike, huh?
Yeah.
Almost big enough.
Is that the KLX 110L?
That'd be the closest thing I'd have for your height.
Oh wow, I grew. That thing used to be perfect size for me. Oh, let me check this bike.
See, let's get a little closer.
This is 4-stroke.
It is a 4-stroke. It's a plate bike for trail riding.
Oh. Dang. You hold that for you, please?
What's that?
But if I were you, I'd go a little bigger just because once you're growing.
Is he growing? How old are you? Okay. Yeah. Problem is the next size up is a 150. That's a Honda, but that's the same size as this one. And then it jumps to a 230, which is puts you up to about as tall
Like
as
the other one?
Yep. But it's a play bike, or I shouldn't call it a play bike. It's a trail bike. So it hasn't got the same kind of.
A little 70cc. Cool too.
Yeah, okay.
Man, this is
Easier to ride along the distance.
hot.
What am I doing?
Oh, that's matte.
Yeah.
The motor's matte colored.
Wow, this is room. My favorite one. The one in the back too. He's like sucking me in.
Good job. Keep it up.
Yeah. So now I'm getting like a little itch in my spirit. To...
And that does happen, you know, they draw you right into it. Save more gas, actually, with the fact that you gotta mix your oil with the gas to run a 2-stroke.
Okay, so what's the...
4-strokes, you don't have to do that. 4-stroke is like your engine in the car.
Okay.
You got 2 separate areas, but in a 2-stroke design, you actually mix the oil with the gas, and it's part of the lubricating system that runs through the engine because of the way it fires and the way it goes through the exhaust and everything.
So does it have more pickup? Like what's the...
It's a faster start.
How about those big ones over there? Are those red ones with the Santa Claus on it?
Yeah, same thing.
Same thing.
Oh, 4-seaters.
Smaller version of this one.
Smaller version.
Oh,
This one has
crazy.
Oh, that's a bigger one. That's what they call it, 5-seater.
Okay. And that's for what?
And that's a 1,000.
That's like a golf cart.
Dang, they're huge.
The farm.
Except you carry more people with it.
These are the racing bikes right here.
So instead of carrying a lot of payload as far as lumber, dirt, or something, you can carry people in that, or you can tilt those seats to forward, turn that into a cargo area.
This is my favorite one. 2-stroke KX100 racing bike. I like the fact that it's green in the back. Can you record me, please?
Oh what?
Keep it sideways. Don't turn it. Cause but I like the bikes better.
Bikes are better. Yeah, it's one time.
I like this one. This one. This is a 2-stroke. I love 2-stroke.
Nice.
That's good suspension. Alright. Let's go look at the 50. Come on. Oh, that helmet's fresh. I want to ask the guy what size helmet I wear.
That one's small.
I know. I like the 50s.
Yeah, but it's small. Didn't you have something like that already?
Huh?
Didn't you have something like that already? Yeah, the other one.
It's just like as small as little pocket, right?
Yeah, but buddy, you're too big though for that.
I know. I like these two. These are like... Is that 140? What are you doing? Ice muffler. Oh, can you see if there's rev limiters on them?
Huh?
Can you ask if they have rev limiters?
What?
Rev limiters on them.
Rev limiters? Rev limiters?
Rev limiters.
What is that?
On this bike, doesn't they go brrrr.
Rev limiters? I got a question. Does these bikes, do they have rev limiters?
Yes.
This one?
Yes.
Oh. Yes. I like rev limiters. Like brrrr.
Okay, sound.
What's that?
Kids and sound. What's this one going for?
40.
I'm sorry, I got you. Looking.
All right. Keeps me in practice.
And how fast does this one go?
Best guess, 40 miles an hour maybe.
Fast.
But in the dirt, in the woods, it's pretty fast. It's fast enough so you could never retrieve if you tried hard enough. Just run around the corner, it's too fast. Give you an idea, it's 37.59. And then there's a $200 rebate on that, so 35.59.
That's electric start. Oh yeah.
Even big enough so you could ride it.
I'm sure I would.
Oh, I'm sure you would. I know you would.
I'm sure I would. What's the one you saw online, Bob? Does it say right here?
No,
It was a different one, right?
that's powersportsbikes.com.
Power Sports Bike. They don't got it over here.
Nah, the other ones are like cheaper bikes. They're like they're like 500. They go faster than this one.
500.
It's because these are Kawasaki and they have rev loaders and they're like real sturdy bikes, and they have like like they're professional racing bikes. But the other ones, the cheap ones, they go faster, because the other one, and I want to go 60 miles an hour, and it's as tall as this one. It's just a brand and real Kawasaki. It's like a racing bike. These are racing bikes.
So, you can't ride bikes on the street until you're 16, around there. You get your license, right? Something like that. And the only thing you can do is do dirt bikes.
That's fresh. What happened? It has good suspension, right?
Yeah.
Like, can hold you up.
I mean, but I weigh a lot too, though.
But like when you're riding, you gotta be comfortable.
Yeah.
And shit, like when it's shaking on the ground over bumps, if you're not comfortable,
They lose it when the DJ drops the knee.